Introducing yourself, a comprehensive dialogue. Hi there. My name is Alex. What's your name? Nice to meet you. Alex. I'm Emma. Where are you from? I'm from New York. How about you? I'm from California. Do you like living in New York? Yes. I do. It's a lively place with lots to do. And you? California is amazing. I love the weather here. That sounds great. What do you do for a living? I'm a graphic designer. And you? I'm a software engineer. What inspired you to become a graphic designer? I've always loved art and technology. Combining them felt natural. What about you and software engineering? I enjoy problem solving and creating useful tools. Do you work remotely or in an office? I work remotely most of the time. How about you? I also work remotely. It's convenient, isn't it? Yes, it is. What do you like to do in your free time? I enjoy hiking and reading books. What about you? I like painting and exploring new places. Do you travel often? I try to travel a few times a year. And you? Yes. I love traveling. It's always exciting to see new cultures. I agree. What's the last place you visited? I recently went to Japan. It was incredible. Have you been there? Yes. I visited Tokyo last year. It's such a vibrant city. It really is. Do you have any upcoming travel plans? I'm planning a trip to Italy. How about you? I'm thinking of visiting Australia. Have you been there? Not yet. But it's on my list. What do you want to see there? I'd love to visit the Great Barrier Reef and Sydney Opera House. Those are amazing destinations. Do you enjoy outdoor activities? Yes. I do. I like hiking and snorkeling. What about you? I enjoy outdoor adventures too, especially camping and cycling. That's wonderful. Have you ever tried rock climbing? Yes. A couple of times. It's thrilling. Have you? I have. It's a great way to challenge yourself. Absolutely. What's a hobby you'd like to try someday? I'd like to learn photography. How about you? I'd like to try playing the guitar. It seems fun. It does. Do you enjoy music? Yes. I do. I listen to a variety of genres. What about you? I love music too, especially classical and jazz. Do you play any instruments? Not yet. But I'm interested in learning. Do you? Yes. I play the piano. It's very relaxing. That's impressive. Do you perform anywhere? Just for friends and family. Nothing professional. How about your hobbies? I enjoy cooking as well. Do you like to cook? I do. Trying out new recipes is always fun. What's your favorite dish to make? I like making pasta dishes. What about you? I love baking. Cakes and cookies are my favorite. Baking is an art. Have you ever taken cooking classes? Not officially. But I watch a lot of tutorials online. How about you? Same here. Online tutorials are so helpful. Do you have a favorite cuisine? I love Italian cuisine. And you? I enjoy Japanese food, especially sushi. Sushi is delicious. Do you eat out often? Occasionally. I prefer home-cooked meals. You? I agree. Home-cooked meals are the best. Do you host dinners often? Sometimes. It's nice to have friends over. Do you? Yes. I enjoy hosting and sharing meals with loved ones. It's a great way to bond. Do you like watching movies? I do, especially comedies and thrillers. You? I enjoy action and sci-fi movies. Do you go to the cinema often? Occasionally. But I also enjoy watching movies at home. You? Same here. It's more comfortable. Do you have a favorite actor? I really like Meryl Streep. How about you? I'm a fan of Tom Hanks. His roles are always inspiring. That's true. Do you watch TV shows too? Yes. I enjoy dramas and documentaries. You? I like and travel shows. Do you have a favorite? I really enjoyed Breaking Bad. What about you? Friends is a classic favorite of mine. It really is. Do you read books? Yes. I do. Mostly fiction and biographies. You? I enjoy nonfiction and historical novels. Do you have a favorite author? I love Jane Austen's work. And you? I admire Stephen King's storytelling. He is amazing. Do you prefer ebooks or paperbacks? I prefer paperbacks. There's something special about them. You? Same here. Holding a book feels more personal. Do you write as well? Occasionally. Mostly journal entries. Do you? Yes. I write short stories for fun. That's fantastic. Do you share them with others? Sometimes. But mostly I keep them to myself. It's a great hobby. Do you enjoy painting or drawing? I do. Painting is a way to express myself. You? I sketch occasionally. It's very relaxing. It is. Do you have a favorite art style? I like abstract art. What about you? I enjoy Impressionism. It's so captivating. It really is. Do you visit art galleries? Yes. Whenever I get the chance. You? Same. It's inspiring to see the creativity of others. It truly is. Have you ever tried sculpting? Not yet. But I'd like to. Have you? I have. It's challenging but rewarding. I can imagine. Do you enjoy sports? Yes. I like playing tennis and swimming. You? I enjoy basketball and running. Do you watch sports too? Occasionally, especially during big events. You? Same here. It's exciting to watch live games. It really is. Do you support a particular team? Yes. I'm a fan of the Lakers. And you? I support the Warriors. That's awesome. Do you attend games in person? Not often, but I try to when I can. You? Same. The atmosphere is unmatched. Do you enjoy board games? Yes. Especially strategy games like chess. You? I enjoy word games like Scrabble. Those are fun. Do you play with family or friends? Both. It's a great way to spend time together. You? Same here. Do you enjoy puzzles? Yes. Jigsaw puzzles are my favorite. You? I love crosswords. They're so engaging. They are. Do you solve them daily? Not daily, but often. Do you? I try to. It's a good mental exercise. It definitely is. Do you enjoy outdoor picnics? Yes. It's relaxing to be in nature. You? I do, especially in springtime. Spring is lovely. Do you garden as well? Yes. I grow flowers and vegetables. I have a small herb garden. It's fulfilling. It is. Do you grow any specific herbs? Basil and mint. They're my favorite. I grow rosemary and thyme. They're versatile. They are. Do you use them in cooking? Yes. They add so much flavor. Absolutely. Fresh herbs make a big difference. They do. Do you like herbal teas? Yes. They're soothing. I love them too. Especially chamomile. Chamomile is great. Do you have a morning routine? Yes. I start with yoga and tea. I go for a jog and have coffee. That's energizing. Do you meditate? Occasionally. It helps me relax. I meditate daily. It's very beneficial. It is. Do you practice any other wellness habits? Yes. I try to eat healthy and stay active. You? Same. Balance is key. It truly is. Do you have a favorite healthy recipe? I love making smoothies. I enjoy making with a variety of ingredients. That's great. Do you experiment with different cuisines? Yes. It's exciting to try new flavors. You? I do. Cooking is like an adventure. It really is. Do you watch cooking shows? Occasionally. They give great ideas. Same here. They're very inspiring. They are. Do you have a favorite chef? I admire Gordon Ramsay's skills. I like Jamie Oliver's approach. Both are amazing. Do you follow recipes or improvise? A bit of both, depending on the dish. Same here. It keeps cooking interesting. It does. Do you cook special occasions? Yes. I enjoy preparing meals for celebrations. You? Same. It's a way to show love. It truly is. Do you bake for holidays? Yes. Cookies and pies are my go-to. You? I bake cakes and pastries. Those sound delicious. Do you decorate them? Yes. It's my favorite part. You? I try to. But I'm still learning. It takes practice. Do you enjoy it? Yes. It's fun and creative. It is. Do you make your own recipes? Occasionally. It's rewarding when they turn out well. You? Same here. It's like a personal achievement. It really is. Do you share your recipes with others? Yes. I love exchanging ideas. It's a great way to connect. It is. Do you have a favorite holiday tradition? Yes. Baking with my family. You? Decorating the house and hosting dinners. Those are wonderful traditions. Do you enjoy holiday music? Yes. It sets the mood. You? I love it too, especially carols. They are lovely. Do you sing along? Sometimes. It's fun, especially with friends. It's always a joyful time. Do you make New Year resolutions? Yes. It's a good way to set goals. It keeps me focused. It does. Do you usually achieve them? Most of the time. But some are challenging. You? Same. But it's about trying. Exactly. Do you reflect on the past year? Yes. It's important to learn and grow. It helps me plan better. It really does. Do you journal about it? Yes. It helps organize my thoughts. You? I do. It's very therapeutic. It is. Do you write daily? I try to. But not always. You? Same. But I make time for it when I can. That's the best way. Do you use prompts? Sometimes. They spark creativity. You? I do. They help me explore new ideas. They do. Do you share your journal entries? Not often. They're personal. Same. It's like a private conversation. It really is. Do you keep them organized? Yes. I have different sections for ideas and reflections. You? Same. It makes it easier to look back. It does. Do you ever illustrate them? Yes. It adds a personal touch. You? Sometimes. It makes them more vivid. It does. Do you use special stationery? Yes. It makes journaling more enjoyable. You? Same. I love collecting unique notebooks. They're wonderful. Do you have a favorite brand? I like Moleskine. And you? Same. Their quality is great. It is. Do you use any digital tools for journaling? Occasionally. But I prefer writing by hand. You? Same. Writing by hand feels more personal. It does. Do you write letters as well? Yes. To friends and family. It's a thoughtful gesture. It is. Do you receive letters often? Occasionally. But it's always special. You? Same. It's a rare but delightful surprise. It is. Do you keep the letters? Yes. They're memories to treasure. They hold so much meaning. They do. Do you write postcards when you travel? Yes. It's a fun way to share experiences. It's a lovely tradition. It is. Do you collect postcards? Yes. From every place I visit. They make wonderful keepsakes. They do. Do you display them? Yes. On a board at home. You? Same. It brings back great memories. It does. Do you keep a travel journal? Yes. To document my adventures. It helps me remember the details. It does. Do you include photos? Yes. They make it more visual. It feels like reliving the journey. It does. Do you share your travel stories? Yes. With friends and family. It's a joy to relive them. It truly is. Do you blog about them? Not yet. But I'm considering it. It could be a great creative outlet. It would. Do you follow any travel blogs? Yes. They're inspiring. They give great ideas. They do. Do you plan your trips in detail? Yes. I like to be organized. You? Same. But I leave room for spontaneity. That's a good balance. Do you research before traveling? Yes. To know what to expect. It helps me make the most of my time. It does. Do you use travel apps? Yes. They're very convenient. They make traveling easier. They do. Do you prefer solo or group travel? Both. Depending on the destination. You? Same. Each has its own charm. It does. Do you have a dream destination? Yes. I'd love to visit Iceland. The landscapes are stunning. They are. Do you like road trips? Yes. They're a unique way to explore. The journey is as exciting as the destination. It is. Do you camp during road trips? Yes. It's part of the adventure. It's refreshing to be in nature. It is. Do you plan your stops in advance? Yes. It helps manage time. But I stay flexible. That's smart. Do you document your road trips? Yes. With photos and notes. You? Same. It's fun to look back on them. It is. Do you share them online? Sometimes. For friends and family. It's a way to stay connected. It is. Do you explore local culture when you travel? Yes. It's fascinating. It's one of the best parts of traveling. It is. Do you try local food? Always. It's a highlight of the trip. It's a delicious way to experience culture. It is. Do you take cooking classes when you travel? Not yet. But I'd love to. It would be fun to learn from locals. It would. Do you keep souvenirs? Yes. They're wonderful reminders. I especially like handmade items. Me too. They feel special. They do. Do you enjoy shopping for souvenirs? Yes. It's part of the experience. It's a way to bring a piece of the trip home. It is. Do you gift souvenirs to others? Yes. It's a nice way to share the journey. It's thoughtful. It is. Do you have a favorite type of souvenir? Yes. Local crafts and artworks. They have so much character. They do. Do you collect anything specific? Magnets and postcards. You? Keychains and miniature statues. Those are lovely. Do you display your collection? Yes. In a glass cabinet. It's a great conversation starter. It is. Do you research the history of places you visit? Yes. It's enriching. It adds depth to the experience. It does. Do you visit historical sites? Always. They're fascinating. They're a window into the past. They are. Do you take guided tours? Sometimes. They provide great insights. But I also like exploring on my own. That's a good mix. Do you write about your experiences? Yes. It helps me remember them. You? Same. It's like reliving the moment. It is. Do you share your travel tips? Yes. With friends and family. You? Same. It's nice to help others plan their trips. It is. Do you enjoy planning trips for others? Sometimes. It's rewarding to see them enjoy it. It is. Do you use travel guides? Occasionally. They have useful information. They're helpful. They are. Do you prefer cities or countryside? Both. Depending on my mood. You? Same. Each has its charm. They do. Do you like exploring museums? Yes. They're educational. You? Same. They're a treasure trove of knowledge. They are. Do you have a dream museum to visit? Yes. The Louvre. You? I'd love to see the British Museum.